All right, this is going to be 2015 Top Series 1 Baseball Jumbo. This is 22.98 and 23.12 two-box break. Let's go ahead and screen share everybody in. Here we go. Chris S., you're at the top. And Dave, Troy C. is down at the bottom. Reyes, we haven't done the 4-box mixer yet, buddy. We're still waiting to... We got to get our hands on the Walmart packs. It should be tomorrow. Joey's been out all day searching, so we'll have that as soon as we can get a hold of them. We've done scoured the whole East Coast, well, at least the Mid-Atlantic region, and we cannot locate them yet. We've got targets. So the 4-box will probably tomorrow afternoon or at the latest tomorrow night. Send them over, Ted. Send them over. Chris S. at the top, Troy C. at the bottom. Let's take this, copy and paste. And we're going to run it through 7 times. Here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and number 7. HD, what's up? All right, Paul C., you are at the top. James P., you are at the bottom. Reyes, no problem, my friend. No problem. We're going to copy this, and we're going to put it into our spreadsheet here for Series 1. Oh, all right, hold on 1 second. Zoom out real quick. Series 1. 2313 and 2299. All right, we're going to save that. All right. And now we are ready. Bam, bam. Look at that. There we go. All right, so I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste in here. We've already got it copied. I'm going to read the names out loud. Everybody else follow along. Paul C., you got the Diamondbacks. King, you got the Braves. Chris S., 72, has got the Orioles right there. Ben W. has the Red Sox. Troy C., you got the Chicago Cubs. Ben W. with the White Sox. Brian B. has the Reds. Dave R., the Indians. Damian P., there he is. What's up, Peyton? First time Mojo with the Colorado Rockies. Dave R. with the Tigers, Astros, and Royals. Michael G., you got the Angels. Kyle V., what's going on, Kyle? You got the Dodgers. Paul C., you got the Marlins. Dave R.'s got the Brewers and Twins combo. Nathan A. coming in with the Mets. Rod A.'s got the Yankees right there. Troy C. coming in with the Oakland Athletics. Robert B. has the Phillies. Michael G., you have the Pirates. Justin M. coming in with the Padres. Corey G. right there with the Giants. Troy C. with the Seattle Mariners. And Body H., you have the Cardinals. Is it Bodie or Body? I'm going to say Bodie. Justin M., you have the Rays, Blue Jays combo. Mike H. with the Rangers. And rounding out our list is James P. with the Washington Nationals. So I'm going to scroll back through. If anybody wants to trade a team, now is the time. Now is the time. So you guys got a little bit of time to talk trade here. I got to go ahead. Sam Jam, it is up on YouTube, buddy. Let's take a look, see how far along it is. It's still loading, the 2-box break. I'm looking at it right here. It's processing. It should be up. It's a longer video, so it's going to take a little while longer. But it is on the way over there. All right. So any trades going on? Let's see. Dodgers for Marlins has been offered up. What else we got out there? Peyton said the Rockies. He's trading the Rockies. Dave R. would like the Red Sox. Angels or Pirates for the Mariners has been offered up. All right. So there is the jumbo. Bam, bam. And here is the hobby. All right, got a lot of action on the front here. Dub, this came out today, buddy. It just came out. Brand spanking new. All right. So the trade window is getting ready to close. Do we have any trades out there? 2312 and 2298. All right, 10 seconds on trades. And it looks like we're about ready to rip. Giants for Angels has been offered. Cubs fan said let her rip. Dodgers for Marlins was proposed. Peyton, buddy, all it takes is one, my friend. You never know. You don't know how many times we've heard that before. I think last night, was it last night someone was trying to, they said, man, they were trying to trade away a team and then like a, what was it, a Goldschmidt hit, 6 of 6, a buyback from 2012, autographed. All right, so we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's right. Good luck. You got that first time mojo. Trust me, it happens. Just when you least expect it, say, oh, man, I didn't want that team. And then, bam, get hit with a 1-of-1. All right. There is our call your shot. There's Mr. Nolan Ryan right there. So we're looking for parallels, looking for photo variations. And there's a gold right there. This is 162 of 2015 Houston Astros. And that's going to go out to Dave R. Dave R right there. Javier Baez. Alcantara. Matt Joyce. Bam. There's an insert right there. Free agent 40, Albert Pujols. Albert Pujols. Tim, Ted. I said Tim. Crazy Cali guy said the Angels. That's right. The Angels are going to be World Series champs this upcoming season. That's right. Let me say, yep. You heard it here first. I really like these right here. These are nice. I'd like to get a whole set of this. Gallery of Greats, Tom Glavine. That's a nice looking card right there. I have to work on getting that set. Zoom in. There we go. Yeah, see how Puig archetype right there. Clayton Kershaw. Is Clayton Kershaw the best in the biz? He got roughed up in the playoffs. But is he still the best in the biz? There's a refractor right there. Willen Rosario, Colorado Rockies. No way, says Ted. Who's number one? Fins fan says no. Who you guys got? Let's have this debate now while we're going through these. I'm curious to hear this. Jose Fernandez. There's a vote for him. There's a gold right there, Overbay. 89 of 2015. It's all about Kershaw, says Peyton. All right, so who else? Nobody else has any say, huh? So everybody must think Clayton Kershaw is the best in the game. 'Cause I don't see any response. Everybody said, yeah, I guess you're right. It's going to be Clayton. There's an, look at that, Jackie Robinson archetype right there. Edwin Jackson, okay. Now we're getting some names in here. I don't know, but not Kershaw. Anybody but him, huh? Top 40, Casey Kasem. And that's going to go to random at the end of the break. All right. That's Postman's order right there. Not bad, not bad. Did you guys see? Okay. Now, not to get off topic, but while we're breaking this open, did you guys see the video of that plane? Holy cow. That is crazy. There is a call your shot going to random. Mr. Ryan McLemore right there. That video of that plane crashing over, where was it, Taiwan or whatever? How much? So that's me playing GTA. Dude, that was insane. I'm going to tell you right now, watching that, man, I saw it last night. I got off of here with you guys at about, there's a Sandy Koufax. Man, I love these gallery greats. That is awesome. Saw it on Reddit last night. Saw it on Reddit. Too intense, wasn't it? Who you telling, brother? Phew. Well, they couldn't help it. I mean, it was on, you know, the dash cam. Everybody's got dash cams, except for the United States. But there's a refractor right there. Look at that. CNN begins 1980. Is that Ted Turner? Old Ted. Man, that video. Whew, good Lord. I mean, you get goosebumps just seeing that happen. And then how about the cab driver, huh? The cabbie. The wing clipped the front of the cab. Man. That's a rush. And I got to get on a plane here next month or two. And it's like, eugh. And it's to go into Vegas, of all places. The wind tunnel inside of those mountains. That's always fun, right? Jeez. If any of you guys have flown into McCarran, you know what I'm talking about. Or try to take off out of there. All right, here we got a gold right here. Palm Springs. Never flew into Palm Springs. Garrett Richards, 1675 of 2015. I tell you what, though, going into to Vegas, buddy. Phew. See, Philip knows. Philip knows. I was there, man. That's the only time. I tell you what, I've been on a lot of flights. And other than my first one, because I just never been on one, I was kind of kind of shaky for the first time ever. But we were coming when we were leaving out of Vegas, and I think this was like '05. And I'm gonna tell you something right now. Southwest Airlines, that plane did not want to get off the ground. I'm serious. We got, I mean, the wheels lifted off, and we got maybe, I don't know, 200 feet in the air. And as soon as we did, it just dropped, and then we started climbing, but we couldn't climb, and you could feel it. You know what I mean? Like, you could tell, like, the plane just did not want to go up. And I tell you what, you could hear people crying. The luggage racks, the overhead containers started like rattling, and you know, carry-ons were falling out, hitting people upside the head. It was pretty intense, man. I still remember that feeling. Just sitting there like, uh-oh. This is not going to be good. My whole thought was, just take it down now. We got a better chance, right? Maybe we got a better chance of being closer to the ground than if, you know, we struggle another 1,000 feet up, and then it happens. All right, here's a snow camo parallel. Jared Weaver, 86 of 99. 86 of 99, Mr. Jared Weaver right there. Very nice. This is going out to Angels owner. Who's got the Angels? That's going to be Michael G. Old strawberry right there. FFL and Ted, luckily you guys got that luxury, huh? You can drive there in 3 hours. Must be nice. Ted, man, you got to come out to Vegas when I'm there then, if it's a 3-hour drive. Come out and hang out. Cabrera. Ted said, no. Come on, zoom in there, buddy. There we go. Craig G. What do we got here? Looks like we got our first buyback. Too long of a drive. You and me both. Paul Hartzell. Paul Hartzell. We're going to be up there in Boston, Dave. You got to come out there and check us out. They have not released the show yet. There's another Angel hit. Look at that. But we're going to be up in Boston. Oh, they have released it. When is it? In April, right? When is Boston? It's under Fanatics Authentics. And here we go. Bam. Yeah, come check us out, man. We've had seriously, we were in Chicago last time, and you know, we had a bunch of people come by and stop by. It's great to meet, you know, finally put faces to some of the names of the powerful FBB crew, and have a lot of fun. We had some people come out, BM Winners, CJ, quite a few people come out and check us out when we were in Chicago in November. And there is a Arias right there. This is 746 of 2015. San Francisco Giants. Here's a bandstand card. That's going to go to random at the end. Uh-oh, what do we got here? Oh, man. Oh, buddy. Oh, boy. Look at this. There it is. Hey-o! Look at that. Would you look at that? Let's get that off of there. All right, 45 of 50. Reggie. That's right, Mr. October. 45 of 50. Reggie Jackson. Look at that stamp coin right there. Holy cow. Who's got the Yankees? Rod A. Rod A. That is coming out to you, buddy. A very nice hit right there. Congrats, my friend. So let's see. We've done hit a Scherzer like that. We've done hit a Who else? Derek Jeter. Man, oh man. Josh R. I love those cards too. They're even better looking in person, man. These things are great. I remember looking at them on the sell sheet thinking, wow, that's going to be nasty. Devious, yeah. Some of them, like there's entertainers in there throwing out the first pitch. And one of them is I can't, what's her name? But no, you're not losing it to answer your question. You're good. All right. Nope, you're safe, man. It's not time to check into the crazy house yet. But when you do, call me because I might be right there with you. All right, here's Ian Kinsler. There's a refractor of Peralta. We can roomies. I like it. I like it. We'll bring our sets and we'll have war. We'll have box wars, set wars. Randomize them. All right, Pete. Mr. Pete Lecoq right there with the Chicago Cubs. And that's going to go out to Troy C. Retape and break boxes over and over. Benito, stop it. Stop it right now. Each one of you, stop it. Stop it. Get a grip. Control yourself. Control yourself. All right. Control yourself. Sound like Beavis and Butthead right now. That's great. I love it. Looking in my window. Here's a gold right here. Cody Allen. Cody Allen right there. Oh, gosh. I'm losing it. Now I am losing it. Refractor, call your shot. Nobody ever told me who Meb is. Who is Meb? You guys know who Meb is? Who's that peeping in my window? Bow. All right. Here we go. Old Richard. Oh, man. There's another goal. Paul Konerko. Paul Konerko. 454 of 2015. Mr. Paul Konerko. And this is really, I'm telling you, I want to get the set of this Gallery of Greats. I love this. I don't know why. Something about this is a beautiful, very clean, just, you know. I like that. Junie said, I bet he got teased in school. There's a future star right there. So you're saying he was good at fighting, is what you're saying. Well, after the break is over and we're no longer, I'll tell you guys a funny story about one of my friends and her roommate. Their last names, they were posted on the door outside of their door room. Fragile. You guys will get a kick out of it. Kind of along those lines. And here come the jokesters. There's I can't Cubs. There we go. Call your shots after the break. After the break. Here we go. What do we got here? Look at this. Iwakuma, 700 winning percentage, career high. Right there. Seattle Mariner, and that's coming out of Troy C. Troy C. Congratulations, Troy. There is a Jose Abreu. Is the card dinged lower right? Right there. That's not a ding, believe it or not. That's just the color. Yep, not dinged. Yeah, but it's not. Yeah, I appreciate that. It's not a ding though. Cubs. That's right. That's right. The whole world's watching, man. The whole world. All right, there we go. That's right. Can't let them know we're coming. They're coming to take me away. Ha ha. Hee hee. Ha. Gallery greats. Joe D right there. Joltin' Joe. Joltin' Joe. And there's a John J. So refractor. Call your shots. Graham Elliott, Master Chef. What do you say, buddy? He always looks like he's going to eat the fork whole, you know? Who takes a bite like that? Who takes a bite off a fork where you stick half the fork down your mouth? I'll never get that. Then you look up at the sky, close your eyes, and chew. What in the world? All right, we already went through that stack. Right there, that was just the top of that. Vince Fan said the Funny Farm, where life is good and the drinks are cold. All right, Bryce B. Eovaldi, we'll zoom in, EO. Hit, 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 hit. Let's go, baby. Come on. There's a hit right there. There's a goal parallel. Tony Watson, Pittsburgh Pirate, 1985 of 2015. Anybody in the room right now born in 85? Do we got any 85 stamp coin cards in here? Nope, no 85, huh? 86 says Devious. Okay, okay. 80, Cubs family. 87. So we got 86, 87, no 85. Graduated in 85. All right, there we go. There you go. Looks like we got a hit coming up. 90 for Peyton. 88 for Benito. Damn, you guys are making me feel old. I think Dave R right there he's the only one that's got me. All right, let's see here. It looks like this is going to be something sick. Let's find out. Bam, bam. And John Carlos Stanton logo pin right there. Mr. John Carlos Stanton. Zoom in. There we go. Logo pin, Miami Marlins. And this is going to be going out to Paul C. Paul C. That's coming out to you, buddy. Curry's got 51. How much time's left in the game? Yeah, I do too, man. They're good looking, man. They're classy. I like them. Oh, it's finished. Okay, 51 though. That's pretty impressive. Still not better than Tristan Thompson, right? What did he put up? 55 when he had like 35 in the third or whatever it was. All right, there's another buyback. This is Mike Cosgrove. Mr. Mike Cosgrove. I think he was one of the characters on Mad Men, wasn't he? That was Ken Cosgrove. All right, Houston Astros. And that's going to be coming out to Dave R. I like them now that I have one. There you go. That's right. All right. There's Miggy Cabrera. Paul Konerko. Here's a gold Aaron Sanchez. 893 of 2015 right there. Toronto Blue Jay. Mr. Tony Gwynn. If he didn't swing at it, it wasn't a strike. David Ortiz. Here's the 1960 debate. Garrett Jones. All right, two more. Looking for that auto coming up. Hey, did you... Apparently that guy that plays on... what's the show? I haven't started watching it yet. What's the show on HBO about, like, the medieval times or whatever? I don't know. It's not medieval, but it's got, like, a bunch of different kings and castles and... The heck's the name of that show? Game of Thrones. There we go. Thank you, Dale. My man, Dale. The guy, what's his name on the show? He's called The Mountain or something like that. He just broke like a 1,000-year-old strongman record or something like that. Yeah, the Viking. Oh my God, that thing was huge. He moved it like what, 7 feet or something like that. 7 feet, 10 feet, somewhere in there. He carried this log. It wasn't even a log. I don't even know how. That's what they were calling it. I was laughing. They said he moved a log. I was like, that's not a log. That's a tree. This guy literally picked up a tree. Rusty Torres right there, buyback with the Angels. I think it was ginormous. The Mountain, that's his name. What kind of guy? What? Your name's The Mountain. The Mountain. I'm gonna tell never mind. I'll keep that to myself. Yeah, Finn's fan, but that's the dude. He moved it. No, I know, but I'm saying you got to check him out, man. He broke a record like that stood for so many, I don't know how many years it was. But he moved like a 1,400-pound tree on his shoulders, like carried it. It was nuts, like in a squat. Like he had it on across his shoulders. It's crazy. All right, here we go. Bam. A.J. Ellis. AJ Ellis right there, 373 on base percentage, career high. Los Angeles Dodgers. And this is going to be going out to Kyle V. Kyle V, that's coming out to you, buddy. Hey. Hey. All right. So that is it. Now we have a little business to attend to random. All right. Postman, I wish I could. Cookies, that sounds great right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 this time. We got 9 call your shot scratch cards. And here we have the bandstand, CNN, Top 40, and the 1960 debate. So, we're going to send this over to random. And the first 9 names after 7 times through. Hafthor Bjornsson. I like it. Hafthor Bjornsson. Sounds like a name off the show on FX I just started watching called Lilyhammer, which is actually pretty good. It's about an old mob boss that ratted out and then ends up getting moved by the feds to Lilyhammer. It's pretty funny. I said I thought he was American. Hey, you never know. He could have moved here. And then guess what? Boom. American. Bow. Right? Got to claim your set. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and screen share everybody in. Here we go. Here's our list. We're going to run it through 7 times. Good luck. 1. That's right, Dale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and number 7. All right, let's zoom in here. So the top 9, each person will get a scratch card, call your shot game. And then the 10th spot is going to get the 60s debate card, the bandstand, top 40, and CNN. So there is our list right there. All right. So that's going to do it. Let's go ahead and send this over to YouTube, shall we?